Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful lovely flower shawl. I make a little sample and I will show you with this yellow yarn and 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. If you are ready, please push the subscribe button and let's start. You can start with a magic ring, but I want to make it easier, and I make a slip knot, chain 4, yarn over, and we will make a puff stitch here. It's 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over and pull up all loop, chain 2, yarn over and make a puff into the same stitch, just 3 times, chain 3, I was chain 1 and add 2 more and make a puff stitch, and chain 2 and make a puff again. That's our first row. Just turn your work and make a slip stitch here. Lose your loop and 1, 2, 3, make a puff, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, and make it again. Now we will make Solomon knots. Just lose your yarn, yarn over and pull it through. Don't leave that yarn here, and make a single crochet around it. Just make a single crochet into that 3 chain space, and again make a Solomon knot. Make 2 puffs here, chain 2, and that's my second. Turn your work, slip stitch here, make 2 puffs. We will always make the same thing in the corners. And now make a Solomon knot. We will start to make our flowers. Yarn over and make a half double crochet into that single crochet. Chain 1 and make a half double crochet in the same place. That's our little V. And forget about everything, only our we and us here. Chain 4, 5 and 6. Insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over and pull it through. Into the third chain, make the same thing and make the same thing all the chains. You have 6 loops now. Yarn over and pull through both. You see this V's left side. We will make a single crochet here. And then chain 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make same things. And we will make single crochet this left half double. Chain 6 again. You see the right one, right? We will make a single crochet here. Chain 6. And again into same half double we will make a single crochet, and this is last petal of our flower. Chain 6, now it's 5 loop. I make it wrong. And I complete it. Now you see this one chain space here, and I will make a single crochet here. This is our first flower. Turn your work and just slip stitch here for the secure. Just make a Solomon knot and make puffs. Turn your work and make it again. Now we will prepare the base of the other flowers. Make one Solomon knot and add one. It's 2, and you see the knot here. Make a single crochet here and make 2 Solomon knots too. Then make a puff. Chain 2, just make a 1 Solomon knot, stitch, yarn over, and make a half double here. Just chain 1 and half double again, and we will make a flower again. Chain 6, I'll make a single into second half, again into the second half crochet, and make a new petal, and I'll make a single crochet into the first half double crochet, as you see I'm turning around it. That's like my other tutorial, wildflower shawl. Maybe you see it on my other YouTube channel, Örgücü Şirin. It has English subtitle. It's just like that, so I like it very much. And in that first one chain space, I make a single crochet and finish my second flower. Just slip stitch here and make a Solomon knot. It's so funny to say Solomon knot. You know, Solomon is a Jewish name, I think, but we use it in Turkey, like Süleyman. Maybe you heard about the Süleyman the Magnificent lawmaker. He lives 72 years, I think. It's too long for these times. We even have an item about it. This bird didn't remain to Sultan Süleyman. It means, I think, don't give a shit about materialistic thing, because you couldn't live that much longer. So we say this spider in Turkey. I think it's more like spider. And I make the last petal, chain 5, and that's 6. I finished my second or third flower, and now I will make a Solomon knot again. And make a puff, make a puff again, make 2 Solomon knots, we will make a single crochet here and make 2 again. make a single crochet into the second knot and make 2 again, make 2 puff separated with 2 chain. And that's it. You will make the flowers here and here and here. In the other row, you will make like this again, and for the other row you will have 4 flowers. This really look good. I hope you like it. I like it very much, and I want to share it with you. If you like it, don't forget to push the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm preparing really good things for you. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.